Okay, so quick demonstration on how to manipulate a Dreambox using the web control. As we can see, we've got access to it. Now what we can do is select box control, and they have this lovely little feature called web remote.
Plus, usually a repair by Autoglass is free for you. Don't let it crack. Call Autoglass now.
Autoglass repair. Autoglass fix.
If I can zoom it, you can see it. Now, this means is if I do this, I can quite happily go through the menu. And as I'm connected to the web interface, it will actually allow me to see what's going on the screen in front of the end user.
So you've been here before? Oh yeah. We always go there and save our car insurance. This time we are going to have a look at those credit card deals though too.
No sister was it for that actually.
Yeah, she got a great deal, didn't she?
That's what she did.
She did.
And welcome to Standard Saving Money and getting the right deal, you'll go compare.
So I can quite happily go through the system's plugins.
These guys may be home cooks now, but by the end of this competition, I'm expecting
If I want.
restaurant quality dishes. We are best friends.
We're neighbours.
I can do pretty much anything I want. You'll notice that I can even
My Kitchen Rules.
set a password, because I can download a plugin to allow me to set the password on the system. So I can quite happily update it if I want to something
Let's see how much the celebrity
which
has up in back-to-back celebrity
the owner of the box might not even be aware of. So, if I remember rightly,
Hi, I'm Claire Sweeney
the
and
extensions
you're watching 60-minute makeover.
can
Today
even
we're on the country. Welcome to Nottingham.
find
Decor-wise, this house is stuck in the 1980s, but me and the team are going to drag it into the 21st
a proxy
century.
server.
Today, we're in West Bridgeford to revamp this 3-bedroom terraced house.
There we go.
It's home to Emma, who's owned the house since she was a student, and Paul, who used to be a lodger until he became their partner.
So as you can see,
They're young professionals now, and they both want their home to reflect that.
I can quite happily install an HTTP proxy server,
I bought the house 5 years ago when I was a student.
which the end user doesn't necessarily know anything about.
Whilst I was studying.
And I can come into here.
I decorated the house quite simple, and nothing's been done since then. And since then, the students have moved out, but I've obviously remained here. So
The other thing is that I was one of the tenants here that as time's moved on, I've kind of moved into the master bedroom, so it'd be nice if we could, have the house, reflecting.
And I can even
some
tell it what port to use
Today's
and how to set it up.
is Richard Randall. He's expert at combining classic
So
design
spamming via the machine when you can't even get a login because you don't know its default username and password on the command line is really not a problem. And unfortunately, many people put these web interfaces on the internet so that they can remote view their TVs. For example,
So why are you telling me that this will be gone
I have this application called Black Box, which will quite happily remote control
Where is it now? Where is it now?
the TV. And that's all there is for today.